good? What's good? You know who it is, man. It's your boy, the Real Terrence, aka T Rock Locs. You know what I'm saying? Your boy been going to school lately. I went to Ultimate Medical Academy. I will graduate in 3 weeks from now. So yeah, big ups to me. I went to school for healthcare management. Okay. So shout out to Denise as well. I've been supporting y'all guys' channel. I've been watching y'all videos, been commenting. But I really, like I said, I really been busy going to school. So hopefully when I graduate, whatever, when I do have time, I will go back and show more love and support. But what I do miss, I miss old lockers, man. I miss y'all so much. Now, I'm gonna let y'all know what I do use for my locks. I use the tropical roots oil. Now, when I'm done, like before all this happened, before when I start washing my hair, I use the My L strengthening shampoo. Okay, just got biotin in it. You get this from your dollar store. I use this product. Once I'm done with that, I want to do my hot oil treatment. Then I use the tropical roots black Jamaican castor oil behind that. And then once I'm done with it, everything good and dry, then I turn around, I will use my Palmer's coconut oil. I will use that as well. So yeah, what else? Now I do want to do another challenge. If you want to do it, you can. I just want to bring the lot community back. Okay? I just want to bring the lot community back. So the challenge is going to be two questions. It's going to be two things. Okay. What made you decide to grow your locks? And what is your favorite lock style? So, what made you decide to grow your locks? And what is your favorite lock styles? Okay. And let's keep that trend going. You know what I'm saying? Let's keep that trend going. Like I said, I miss you all, man. I miss all my lockers out there, man. My old lockers, man. Shout out to my brother Quaylen Will, man. Shout out to Brittany Alon. She growing her lock back out. Shout out to my boy King Davis, my boy Chapman, my boy Ayo Social, like social. I miss all of y'all, man. I miss all of y'all. So yeah, Pretty Boy Shay, all of y'all. I know everybody going out doing their thing right now, but I miss y'all. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, my boy Drake. Um, it's a lot of y'all. It's a lot of y'all. T-Bay, it's a lot of T-Bay. I think T-Bay still got her lots. But yeah, but like I said, make sure y'all follow that challenge. The boy 4 years, 7 months. I mean 4 years, 6 months. I'll be 4 years, 7 months this month right here in October, the 18th. So yeah, don't forget my fame motivation quote. Keep it happy, keep it nappy, keep it out your lives from the haters. I'm out. Peace, one love, stay locked.